I'm in the IKEA in Emeryville. Hello, Mr. Security. And we're gonna ride some Schindlers. This is not the first elevators I've ever filmed. Oh. They are Schindler MT. Where the heck are they? Oh, here it is. Schindler MT. We'll go up, down, and up.
Yeah.
Okay. Schindler MT. Look at these very durable plastic. Ooh, it smells like hydro. They have a door open button.
There's only one way.
There is.
There's only one way. This takes you to the finish.
Oh, Jesus. This thing's a monster. This thing's a monster.
Large piece of cheese made for us. I know we're not eating much.
Ah, sure.
This way.
Look at this, they have a door open button. Door hold. Oh, it just be-leveled. Well, at least the door hold button is
people talking about like the
emergency light. Huh?
Oh, the
Schindler. Schindler.
That's the static wall. Push to top.
Bing! And that's it.
Whoa.